everyone. I'm Rakhi Rupani, Communications Coordinator for BNI here on the UAE. And today, the chapter we have on Spotlight is BNI Early Bird. Now, BNI Early Bird is celebrating 16 years. Yes, you heard it right, 16 years of being here in the region. So today, we are chatting here with the president, who is Raj Kumar, Vice President Ajay, and Secretary Treasurer Hitesh to know more about their journey and experience here in BNI. Hello, team Early Bird. How are you all doing today?
Great, Raki. Good to see you again, live and chirpy as a part of BNI.
Thank you. How are you all? Ajay, Hitesh, all good? Thank you
I'm
so much.
I'm doing wonderful, Rocky, and thank you for this invite today.
Thank you so much for being here today. And
It's amazing, Raki. Yeah.
welcome Hitesh as well, our newest joinee, I would say. And before we get started any further, I want to wish all of you a big congratulations for celebrating 16 years. 16
Wow,
years of
that's
Early Bird
thank you.
being in the region. So big
time really
heart
flies.
congratulations.
That's something to be proud of. Yeah.
Yes.
I'm glad to be a part of this chapter.
Exactly. Thank you so much for being here today. So before we get started with the questions, let's get started to know each and every one of you for the sake of the audience. So starting with you, Raj.
Great, thanks, Raki, giving an opportunity. And it's always nice to see BNI in the forefront. My name is Rajkumar Bhatia from Point Solutions. I've been a proud member of Early Birds for 9 years, 9 months, and 9 days exactly, which is more like a high school and a primary school journey. And it's been really, really great. And it's more like a family to me as such. So we wake up in the morning, during the day, end of the day, we know that, okay, fine, somebody's looking at us, looking over our shoulders, got our backs at all the times.
Amazing. And Raj, what line of business do you represent?
We are mainly into IT services and making sure that, being in the business next month, we'll be finishing exactly 19 years. So I've been in the country for 34 years in the IT industry as such, 44 years in the country. And all that we try and do is that make sure that the businesses are functioning perfectly fine. Their IT is run 24/7 without any kind of disturbances, any kind of activity losses as such. So that's one core activity which we focus on, where we try and address and make sure the decision makers know that IT stands for information technology and not income taxed.
That's great. That's great. It's been almost 10 years for you, 9 years, 9 months, and 9 days, you said. Interesting question for you. What got you into BNI?
Well, it's again, as I said, I've been in the country for so long, and I just happened to meet a very common friend at one of our family functions. And he was wearing a Lepin for BNI, and I happened to ask him at what exactly is this about. And he said, the more that I talk about it, it's still not sufficient. Why don't we just come over, experience what we do, and it could be well worth as a person from the IT industry, person within the business, to see how it could add value. And that was it. I mean, I kind of attended just one particular meeting at BNI Early Birds, and that was it, because close to 90% of our business comes from the word of mouth.
Mhm.
And that's where I thought, yes, I mean, this is it. Let's try and test the waters out. And again, it was just never looking back. It was just the first year when we said that, fine, let's just try and see what BNI brings over for us, how we could try and add value to our business, our existence as such. And yes, it's been, again, as I said, 9 years, 9 months, and 9 days. And it's been a wonderful journey.
Amazing, amazing. And then now we have our two joinees who joined us during the online experience. Ajay, starting with you. Tell us about yourself, how long you've been a BNI member for, and what got you into BNI.
So, first of all, thank you for this. I've been there in BNI for approximately 16 months. So we're celebrating 16 years. So there's a certain a certain thing which is going there. Been following that. But very quickly, I'm Ajay Bhatia from VFix Maintenance and Technical Services. We do property maintenance In terms of my background, I'm born and brought up in Dubai. We own a number of properties in Dubai, and that was the idea behind starting this business. We saw that there was certainly a gap in the market, which required a certain amount of a specialization, and there was a gap, and we fulfilled that very well. What made us join BNI, being a 7-year-old company? See, I've got a couple of friends in BNI, a couple of gazillions, let's put it that way. And then Aman, my wife, she decided to join. And in a few months time, when I looked at how professional the chapters are, how professional the meetings are, and really the business comes through very well, that's the time when I decided to join Early Birds. I was introduced to Early Birds by Vipin, and it was one of the best moves I've made.
Amazing, amazing. And how about yourself, Hitesh?
Hi, Rakhi. Thank you for inviting. This is Hitesh. I'm a proud member of BNI. I joined it 11 months ago because one of our common friend, Pratna, introduced me to it. And the day she introduced me to it, it was amazing, very well professionally run. And it certainly helped me a lot. And I'm glad to be part of the chapter, which is one of the oldest chapter over here. Coming back to me, I run an accounting and tax consultancy firm. We provide accounting and CFO services. We started off as soon as VAT was introduced. So we realized there's a gap where you need to ensure the accounts are maintained in a correct and a timely manner. So there we saw the gap and we started our business, and Touchwood, with the help of BNI, it's doing rocking. And it's great to be part of this chapter and this team and meeting all of you.
Amazing, amazing. My next question again is for you, Raj. I know being a previous Early Bird member as well, I remember you being with me at the chapter as well. You've been long enough to experience both the online and the offline aspect, and long enough to experience what the whole chapter journey has been like. So tell us how it has been like for you in terms of your experience with the chapter, professionally growing as well, and how would you guys be celebrating it?
Thanks. And Rakhi, celebration is practically an everyday affair at Early Birds, because it's not only just getting up in the morning and wishing good morning with everybody itself, but the journey has been fantastic because, again, like any other organization, we have ups and downs going in, and that's exactly, I personally have experienced the complete ups and downs of Early Birds, and we've bounced back and making sure that each and every member has become like more of a family friend, because it's like when you join a primary school, you go on to the secondary, the higher secondary, and during the whole journey, you have your friends, and those friends are with you for life. So whichever friends that you make during that particular journey, I mean, they can leave the BNI school, they can leave Early Birds, but trust me, those contact spheres have been bonded well enough for anybody to look back on. And as far as personal experience is concerned, we practically have, as a company, have grown almost 10 folds from after joining BNI, because again, it's unless you're not a part of any kind of network or professional network as such, like BNI, which is more structured, what practically happens is that you basically feel that you are a master of your own game. But with BNI, what happens is that you are going ahead and getting a overall perspective. And currently, pandemic would have been the first and the best experience that people would have experienced in, because, as I said, it's not only about meeting in person. Getting an online meetings on has practically saved so much amount of time for our suppliers, for our customers, for our fellow BNI members, because we can just try and go ahead and have an online meeting and still document a one-to-one, have a very constructed meeting in a time-bound environment, which has made sure that at least the bottom line is time is money, which has really made sure that at every given point of time, each and every person within the business in a service profession at least has benefited from it. And that's how I would kind of go ahead and describe my journey. And now that when we have started in person again, it's like school students coming out of vacation. So when they come join the school back, and you can see the thrill back into the whole members and the whole activity as such.
That's amazing. And I believe I also heard from a little bird that you all enjoyed and celebrated your anniversary by taking a staycation as well recently.
Well, there's been a lot of activity happening and a lot of activity planned out, and thanks to some really energetic members. A few of the members, including myself, we did miss the staycation part of it. But I can definitely say that the members make you feel that you really did miss out something, because when you do not turn up, it's like it's like as I said, the group of students coming together saying that, look, you did miss the fun out. Let's not make sure that you miss out again.
Absolutely. I'm sure there'll be much more celebrations happening forward as well.
Well, just open up your social media, keep your social media on. You will see a lot of things happening up and a lot of activities happening up.
Amazing, amazing. I know, Raj, you've already mentioned a little bit of things that you mentioned about the past, what you've learned and everything else. You being the president of the chapter right now, how do you plan to take any of your learnings that you have experienced, taking it forward?
Again, the idea is to instill into each and every member and a visitor and a guest walking into that door for early birds, giving them enough amount of experience and a life experience and a life lesson, saying that be patient enough, because any business, whether it's a startup or an established business, it takes them some time. And obviously, we've seen members, we've seen people coming in, going out within 1 year, 2 years. The idea is to make sure that you value each and every seat which is coming in. And the plan going forward is to make sure that increasing the bottom line for each and every business, making sure that they feel comfortable in not just being a part of an organization or BNI or Early Birds chapter, but while they are being with us, they enjoy the complete value, because the bottom line is that they are in to create a healthy relationship and create better profits for their own organization. And the only way to do it is to be patient enough and learn along the way as such.
Amazing, Raj. I believe right now you stand at 23 members and you're already achieving a lot of milestones in terms of the KPIs. Any goals or visions that all of you as the leadership team have set forward for the chapter in your term?
Yes, the idea is to, in this particular term, we need basically to touch a target of at least 40 members, number one. The second goal and the target is that increasing the seat value of each and every member by knocking their door, saying that, look, you let us know what your targets are, and you have a team behind you to have those targets achieved out.
That's great. Ajay, my next question is for you. I mean, you're quite a new member, and you straight away stepped foot into the leadership team, which is amazing. What has been working for you in the chapter, and what would you like to focus as a leadership team and as a vice president?
Thank you very much, Raki. So a lot of things have been working very, very positively. Now, let me put it this way. The day I entered Early Birds, from that day onwards, the business has just come in. We've got some very good contacts here in this in the chapter, and their contacts here is so good. That's really worked positively for us. I can count a number of members who've actually held my hand to make sure that they attend the meeting with me in order to make sure that I get that business. And I don't think that happens in many other chapters I would know of. So comparatively, again, I would say one of the best chapters. It's worked for me very positively. A couple of other things which have been very interesting. I'm a kind of an education junkie. So I've got a number of diplomas and degrees and stuff like that. And BNI Business Builder and the podcast and the education which BNI gives through, this is something which is just class apart. I wouldn't require an MBA as long as I'm actually, following what Business Builder is saying, because that is what real practical business is all about. I just love that. I just absolutely love what I get to learn over here.
That's amazing. And that's what you actually answered for me. Business Builder is one of the tools that you're using. And I would really urge everybody else to go onto it, because the information just keeps on adding on to that platform. And it's amazing learning that you can experience.
So I was just saying that one of the key learnings I would say I've got, and this is something which every BNI member I've noticed, every serious BNI member does, is introduce his business in 7 seconds. No doubt about that. That's one of the best things you can do for your business.
7.
And I can walk into anybody. Being an introvert, I can walk to anyone today and actually introduce my business in 7 seconds. So thank you, Ivan Meisner, for that, really.
Amazing, amazing. Thank you for sharing that with us, Ajay. Raj, my next question is for you again, being the president, being in BNI for long enough and experience both the online and offline experience. How this is one thing which most of the chapters struggle with, chapter engagement. How do you guys keep your chapter engaged? Any tips that you can share with the other chapter members watching this?
I mean, I would kind of, summarize it in every single member. Deep down, he knows the strong points. We just need to tap those strong points and make sure that he comes forward, takes up the role, brings his best foot forward, puts his best foot forward, and tells the chapter, okay, this is how we could try and collectively grow the chapter in one way, one form or the other, open to any ideas, open to any engagements which the member wants, give them an open hand, making sure that they bring forward the ideas which fall in line with the BNI policies. And that's really about it itself. That's the best things that you could try and give forward to any member, saying that, look, I'm good at this particular area, give it to me, I will prove it best in there.
That's some great sharing. Thank you so much for sharing that with us, Raj. My last question is for both our new joinees, our new members. What do you enjoy the most about your chapter, and any moments you treasure that you would like to share with us, starting from you, Hitesh?
Yeah, hi. The moments which I would like to treasure is when you are struggling here, the team comes to you and they support you, and then you really see the progress. So during my 7th-month review, Ajay and Vipin had come to the office. They guided me in the best possible way, and I have not looked back after that. And it was really kind of them, and how you take this forward. It was a moment to treasure. And the good things which we like about the chapter is the bonding, the socials which we conduct. The staycation was one of the best staycations which we've had. So it is a really nice part to be of this chapter.
Thank you for sharing that with us, Hitesh. How about yourself, Ajay?
So there's a lot of positive banter, again, the focus is on quality, so don't get me wrong, but there's so much positive banter, a lot of fresh blood in early birds, and you can automatically see that. So the moments I would say for me to treasure are the ones where, all the curtains which an individual has, as a business owner has, are removed over here. We've built power teams, we've built masterminds over here in our chapter, and we've been very, very successful. So those who want to contribute and those who want to gain, this is the chapter to be in, and this is the moment, like sitting alongside veterans like Raj, like Vipin is part of my masterminds. Now it's just brilliant to have these kind of mentors around you. They don't only teach you what to exactly do in BNI and how to run your business much better, but they also help you train and coach other people, like new members like Hitesh. So as Hitesh mentioned, all that training is thanks to Vipin, Raj, and some of the other senior members over here.
That's amazing. And with that being said, thank you so much, guys, for being here and for sharing all your experience. And a very big congratulations to all of you again for celebrating 16 years. And may you all have much more celebrations. And before we end this conversation, anyone who wants to add anything for any of the new joinees or any of the people who are still on the edge about considering to join BNI, anything that you would like to end off with, a few words from
Yeah,
you.
I would try and make one statement out there, which I said earlier, that be patient enough. I mean, regardless of the number of years that you've been in business, whether it's a startup or a thought process as such, have patience, and you've got the right network to back you up. And that's all really I would like to make an addition on that front. And as Ajay said, that it's all about synergizing to finding out who can help you where. You just have to switch your torch on, and that's about it.
Awesome. Hitesh?
Uh, Again, as Raj said, you have to be patient, but uh, even during the COVID days, which I would say, we never felt the pinch because we had such a wonderful team backing you. We never felt that there's any business loss during COVID. In fact, it was a blessing in disguise for us, and numbers were increasing. So BNI is the right place to network, and Early Birds is one of the best chapters.
Amazing. Any last few words from you, Ajay?
I would say for any new member who's thinking of joining Early Birds or who's just thinking of joining BNI for that matter, it's all about the 7 principles, the core pillars, I would say, of BNI Givers Gain. For example, building relationships, recognition. You're looking for improving your business. You want a number of people actually rooting for you, supporting you throughout your ups and downs, then BNI is the place for it. I do not know of any other membership which can actually provide you that much support, both not only in financially or from a business perspective, but also from an emotional perspective. So there is no doubt about it. BNI Early Birds is the place for it.
Amazing. And thank you so much for all of you to share all your experience. Again, I wish all of you a big congratulations, and may you all succeed and achieve all those goals and visions that you all have set in place for the chapter. And big congratulations once again.
Thank you so much, Rocky.
Thank you, Rocky.
Look